Hi guys, I am making a brand new video after the end of the disaster of my sister's Instagram reels. My sister is doing on the other phone. I don't know why, but this, as you see, I made the best great sword in the world. Some of the best because it is 31% faster than its original self. It does make me a little slower, but it also does insane damage. So it cooks level 1 diamond spiders in just 3 hits. Look at this boy. Level 5. 3 and 4 hits for a level 5. This is gonna be extremely useful because I am doing the clearing the warpath quest and am also trying to get prismatic hearts to make a better clay sword out of it, and this really just cooks these prismatic spiders. I don't know how my armor has so much HP. I got it. What is my armor doing? Was that a level 1? I'm happy I even got the thing I needed. Oh, what level is this boy? He is level 3 and I'm absolutely cooking him somehow. I have no boosts applied. Yeah, now he's doing normal damage. I was absolutely cooking him. He was like, I am a max level pro trying to kill him. He is level 3, so he will be harder, but he just manages to take me to half health. Is he nerfed? I think he's nerfed. No, he missed like. He absolutely cooked. नहीं देखना दीदी. He does 90 damage. That's guaranteed. That is absolutely able to cook through my armor. But for some reason, I am able to just quickly. I am feeling so slow, but I'm doing so much damage. If my armor did not have those runes, I would have been cooked. Because I think so. The only thing keeping me alive at this point is my runes. Oh God! It just died and did not give me any. And the damage potion also got nerfed. I don't know if I'm thinking stuff or something, but this is huge for me because I had a lot of trouble grinding. This really, I am pretty sure it has. This does have a. Why is the spider not spawning? I can absolutely cook these level 1 spiders in 2 hits if I have the damage potion on. But the spider is finally here. I was waiting for this book. This time he's level 3 again and he's absolutely cooking through my armor. But holy damage, he's half health. For me it used to take almost 3 deaths and lives to be able to get it to this, and 6 lives to be able to. I know it's just not gonna start being able to hit me. I am low HP, but I did manage to kill it. I am gonna not get, but try and get this. Oh, this AFK spot is occupied. I can just kill them in 2 hits if I need. I will check that frost loom because I do need frost looms on my weapon with attack speed because it's at last one with no attack speed. Let's just go over here to go and decide. Oh, I still have the weapon, my previous weapon. Wait. No. I sell the tungsten. Wait, I think so. Though it gives me. It's made out of glass ores. I can just sell it. I don't really care. Though it is upgraded 7 times. Let's unequip my sword and see what it is made out of. Sanctus, snow white, tide calf, and floss fossil. It's made out of not that good. Also, if you're my level into the game, which I know is pretty understandable, I am gonna go to the mage. I was planning to go and farm the thing, what do you call, the loons, because this has 2 planets, tier 1. I will try and get a 15% or 14% healing planet, which increases my speed by like 15 or 15 to 20%.
तेरे फोन पे नोटिफिकेशन आ रहे हैं कि जो तेरी पूरी वीडियो खराब करेंगे.
But and guys, I got absolutely cooked by the water and the ship is about to leave, so I am gonna immediately make my way over there because I do not want to be stranded. Wait, 3, 2, 1. I was scared there. Perfect there. The heck? Where is Bro? Where is Bro in the port? Bro is in the port, but I don't know where. There's not a room there. I will try and cook those enemies. Oh, if I had sold anywhere, I could have sold this my pickaxe and made like gotten like a blueprint, a great blueprint, which will be very useful. Oh, and we are here. I'm not. But why did I say I'm not going to? I just did. Where is the? Can we climb out of this through the rope or? Nope, you cannot even climb out. It just falls so off. Where is the? Oh, he's here. Now I just to go here, quests. I remove the molded. I remove that. That is vaultable too. And that, and then to where is the angelic quest named? Where is the angelic? Yeah, here. 10 Bro, the pirate late is harder than the mage quest. I know it's like a joke and stuff. It's hard. I'm gonna traverse the maze throughout the maze by myself with no potions, which is just idiotic considering the fact that these are skeleton pirates. I thought of killing them and taking their money because it is quite easy to just dodge them, but then they hit you once and it's very annoying and you cannot even have to do an extra shot, which takes a lot of time. So I can just spam it. I am traversing through it very carefully. I will try and defeat the Chutlu if possible. There is one trick my sister taught me in mages, which is always hug the light. Oh god, this is gonna be a hard one, but it's gonna be kind of easy because we can just cheese our way through it with the distance of the great sword. It is longer than the range of the skeleton pirate, so I can just cheese my way with ease. Like, it's way easier than before. But he still lives on one heart, and that is blocked off. I was not expecting that to come in such an area. Oh, he is Loki kind of easy, but that is the part that scares me. If this is a skeleton pirate, how much health will the Chutlus have? Like, I know they're like bigger and stuff and easy to see and easier to hit, and I think so they have smaller attack range, but still the health is what makes me scared, not how I'm gonna beat it. Oh, that is the Chutlu. He looks kinda. Let me memorize. Oh, he's a quick. Oh, here. Oh my! This is a level 1 Chutlu with 10k health. What am I supposed to do? That is weaker than the column, but he's doing insane damage. That's more damage than the column himself. And he's the only boss in the entire game. Yeah, that is why I still... Oh, wait. I think so this is the part where he is, I think so... What do you call him? The fungi guy. I will guilty. Oh, this is a long passage. A turn here. It's a loop. I think so. Wait, no, it's not.
मुकुल दे दो, मेरे को एक रील बनानी है।
रुको, मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ अभी।
दे दो, तू वीडियो नहीं बना रहा, अपनी वीडियो पोस्ट कर, हो गया बहुत देर।
वो
इतनी लंबी वीडियो नहीं होती है।
होती है।
जल्दी करो।
मैंने 1 घंटे जीबी वीडियो बनाई है।
1 घंटा कौन देखता है बैठ के?
देखते लोग।
ये गधा देखता है ना 3-3 4-4 घंटे के।
तो इसकी वीडियो पे कॉपीराइट नहीं आ रहा, ये कैसी वीडियो बना?
And guys, that was my family. Please ignore that. I am
पूरी वीडियो बना
doing this and
ऐसे होता है?
he gave no reward. Wait, I think so. You have an index for them too, but I think I have. Yeah, I have done. Even the crystal column is easier than the Chutlus. They have 10k HP.
इसकी वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी।
How are we supposed to do?
अगर लाइव वगैरह करनी है
तो हमारी बात से भी गुजारी होगी। नहीं, हमारे फोन में अच्छी है वाला।
नहीं आती।
I am
पूरी बदल जाती है, वो बदल जाती है। माइक छोटा सा भी क्यों ना हो उसका अच्छा रहता है।
बाहर पे छोड़ दे।
I am
हाँ।
doing this and
तू ऐसे पकड़ती है ना पैर
this
से।
is
कैसे पकड़ो?
a skeleton, not a chutlu. Remember that. Oh, I am half HP. That is kind of scary.
देखने पड़ेंगे मेरे को तेरी कंपनी से क्या ये नंगी छोड़ी है।
That is the chutlu who has level 2. Not Lee. I cannot see his
अरे यहाँ गद्दे में लिख देती हूँ ना, अपना नाम ही लिख के बताऊंगी बस। इतना बड़ा क्या करना है?
he has
अगले पेज पे कर दे।
मेरा ठीक तो है, मेरा क्या ही जाएगा, मैं वैसे भी ना बदलो।
कौन सा शब्द?
15,000 HP. Yeah, no, I'm cooked. I knew at the moment he
देख पेन देख कैसे पकड़ा हुआ है। इतना
Noticed
करना पड़ा। ही क्या?
was
बड़ा
like
लिखना है?
in a
क्या
closed
ही?
area.
बोल आगे।
I could do nothing.
नंबर सिस्टम।
Well, sir, I thought makes
कहाँ
you
है लिखा हुआ?
faster, but apparently it does not. Well, sir, not late, it does.
क्या पूरी
Dark
है?
light
बस पेन ऐसे यहाँ से
They also have. I also have.
नित्या मैम कहती है
Now the plates is broken.
पता भी नहीं चल रहा मैच कर रही है।
Guys, you know what it is right now?
पता भी नहीं चल रहा लिख।
It's prismatic
क्या बोलती है?
grinding.
क्या बोलते हैं?
I am gonna pause the video to
हर क्वेश्चन में हैंडराइटिंग
minimize the suffering of the viewers.
मैम एक दिन जाएगी
That's still not going to minimize my suffering. And I'll come back when I have
एक रेटिंग नहीं है।
at least 20 hearts. And if you check it, 1 in 15. So I might have to actually kill more than 200, 400 if I'm unlucky. I'm going to pause the video and come back. It might take 20 minutes, but I don't care. That's the challenge of this video. Guys, quick replay on what I'm going to make this weapon out of. Prismatic heart, I got one more just now. And eyesight, well sir, and I'm thinking about either obsidian, sanctus, tight or oh, the prismatic is haunting me. Like, oh my, he got into the wall. Yes, the wall. Yes, the wall himself. Yes, the wall. I have to battle the wall. I have to break the wall using the pickaxe. Oh wait, he actually got out. Wait, this is actually good. I can climb this wall if I get low. And too. That's it. Right now I'm going to pause recording and hit play again when I get 20 prismatic heart. And it's gonna be torturous. But till now I had been very lucky and got everything first try. But now I'm not. We will continue. A little pause now. At least for 20 minutes. Guys, that was a mistake on turning it on. Wait, is it pause? Guys, I think so. Him being so easy is due to my weapon being a colossal weapon and he always does 90 damage on every single level. On lower level he attacks slower and on higher level he attacks faster. That is why I get low on higher level. He also gets higher HP. But since I have a colossal sword, look here, I do a lot of damage. It is enough to heal 5% of my HP, which is max. And since I have 2, I think so it goes up to 10%. That would be just too insane. Let me check. It. Wait, no. Wait. It does 16%. And my HP is only like 200. And my damage is more than 2. My HP is 128 plus 247 plus 77. My leggings are glass. I'm gonna make a brand new leggings after doing this video because my weapon is my leggings are glass. My chest plate made out of little tungsten, but actually it has even more holes, has more health. I will remove these prior notches. What is the and for the people waiting for the loan combos? I'm sorry I could not upload it on that video. I'm going to tell you all on this video itself. First combo is plain edge, which heals our damage, which does insane healing, plus frostbite. If your enemies are just unable to move, you can just heal off of them. And that is very good if you have either a dagger, a slate sword, or a colossal weapon, or a spear. Those are the best for the rune combo that I just told. Because colossal weapon deal heavy damage. You can just stun enemies and easily heal a lot of HP. Since as you can see, he damages me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm nearly max 6, and that would have been it if he had not hit at me and would have gotten floats. And that is what I do. And back to AFK. Well, not AFKing, but killing the spider. I have not gotten lucky yet for the hard stove with only 2. I will get 20 no matter what. Guys, have you ever noticed that the prismatic spider's eyes are crystals? I never really actually looked into that. But they had everything going with the looks, and I'm absolutely cooked unless I actually got stunned by the first hit. Had I not, I would have done this, which takes me just far enough to be saved, and he was actually 1 HP. I'll see if he's 1 HP. I feel so slow because of the fact that if you just go here, equipment, then you see 5% minus 5% movement speed, minus 5% movement speed, minus 5% movement speed. It just makes me feel so slow even though I have positive movement. If I remove all my armor like that, and that, I should become slower. But I feel faster. Wait, I'm even slower because of the weapon. I go like that, and that is the normal speed. I am so used to having better runes, but I deleted one with the better rune. I always just forget, but that's As you saw, it was one hit. I am gonna farm essential and money till I get to either 330k money, complete the quest of Way of Warlord, or do something else. Till then, it's AFK grind. Well, for me, I actually paused it when I said for me, but you all should understand. I think so. The दीदी ये क्या भेजा आपने? Why does आपके दोस्त ने भेजा? Why does she look like a boy यार?
लड़की का ड्रेस है।
Oh, I died. I was paying attention to my sister's annoying message. I am watching my video right now and I am gonna do the grind and get the items I require for it. Bye guys, I'm pausing right now. Guys, I just removed my speed loan of this and I am doing this, and I found out that this one has way better lifesteal, 10%. This only has 5%. I could just go on massive healing, but I don't think I need that because my attack will become slow. Like, let's compare it. This is how fast it is. Actually pretty fast, but then I need a real comparison. Wait, I'll check. As soon as it reaches 5. 1, 2, 3. It takes 4 seconds because I started 1 second earlier. I am deducting that and take that and see how fast it is. At 25 I start. 1, 2, 3. No, only 2.5 seconds it takes. I also want to remove one of these, and I'm not removing this upper one at all. It's the best one I have. I am planning to upgrade it. That will be a risk though, because since this is already upgrade 6, upgrade 7 is very hard to get at 30%. I might take the risk to become better, but not for now. And I am leaving the prismatic heart grinding because I just grinded there for like 20 minutes and got not a singular prismatic heart. I think so recording luck was better, but I do not want to annoy you all in the recording thing, so yeah, that's a pause. Guys, right now I'm going to do the column soon since it's starting in 2 minutes. It's gonna be harder. Oh wait, I am guys, I think the game broke. I'm below the boss fight. It's going up there. I'm down here. I couldn't do anything. I'm so far. I'm so far. I am up there, but my screen is up here. Watching the world. That island. That is the peak. I think. Oh wait, oh no. That was meant to be a surprise for later. I will cut that out. Oh, I'm stuck down here, waiting for them to complete. Like, what am I doing down here? I can't. Guys, look. I can't even lift the
फोन दे, मैंने तेरे को बोला था
phone.
फोन
हाँ,
फोन दे दो
लोगो
घर जाके
अभी
सोना
ऑन
है
है.
आधा घंटा और है बस चले नहीं तो हम लोग भी बैठे
Guys, I think so I might have to leave right now. I will only writing quests. I'm leaving this server. I'm just stuck. What am I supposed to do? I might be able to become lucky and get like a server which has the columns on it. But I'm gonna do the way of Warfare. Until 50 gonna extend to the other quest, which I think so is like who applied a mining totem in the worst possible spot. Right here. It's 100 times better. This guy is 139. I don't know how Flo is stuck here. It's obvious that this guy is a noob. Arcane. Why do people just like wasting the items? Like, they are so expensive, but then they use it in the most useless spot so that no one can literally think about it. I'm not saying because I cannot do it and stuff, but no one can use it. Like, literally, you need to have require. Oh God, I was not worrying about that encounter. I am. One thing they should change. 75 seconds. 75 HP. They should make it 75% of HP. Like 75 HP becomes really bad if you have like 1,000 HP armor. Like that's not even 2 hits against the thing you are fighting. If whatever makes you low, if you have 1,000 plus HP, generally you're not going to stand a chance with 225 HP against. Unless that thing is like 1 HP or low and you can kill him quickly, but you're about to die. It's like never a choice to use it. Like it's just so bad. But I think with no. recording is on. I will pause until clearing the wallpaper and show you how much money I get. Guys, I hate health potions because
कितने
if
घंटों
you
की वीडियो बनाएगा तू
35 minutes की अभी देख लो. Guys, if you just make like
कौन घर जाके ना तो मुझे एक कप गरम दूध देगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है, चाय भी बना दूंगा.
गरम दूध पीने के बाद मैं सो जाऊंगी क्योंकि मेरे सर में भी दर्द हो रहा है, मेरे पेट में भी दर्द हो रहा है.
ठीक है, बना दूंगा. So guys, I will
कल लेट खाना खाया ना जो रात को.
tell you why the thing is useless. Like if your sword does 10 times more damage than 10% more damage than your what do you say HP, then 5% and you do it fast enough, then you are just instantly able to heal 10% on every hit. If you have a fast weapon, that's the base some of you might want for a weapon if you are not trying to have a slow-paced life. How was dude attacking me after dying? I don't know, but I'm not wanting to know. But I will continue after I kill the 12 remaining common orcs and get the money. So this world is extremely overpowered due to the raw gold you get. I will also sell my essences after the quest to show you how much money I earn. And will show you how much money I get from the last dude. So yeah guys, that's the boss now. I'm gonna wait. Is it? No wait, it's not boss. Wait, boss. Guys, I think so the boss fight might be on, but I don't have the time for it. I think I will have to do maximum early as possible. And 4 left, 3 left. Wait, no, 2 left. Quick, 1 left. I have 96,000. I will require the raw gold of this enemy. 96,200. I got 20,000. Now I gotta do that, but easier. 35 common orcs and 24. Oh yeah, I bought it in the different server, but still it is. Well, it is applied for the next. Oh my, I am not. What am I? How did I survive that? 2 common orcs and 4 elite. No, 2 elite orcs and 4 common orcs. I don't know what that was, but that was clutch because as you can see, I get cooked against just 2 common orcs. I don't know how I maintained against 6 elites because my health and weapon is not that good. I might upgrade it for in the next video, but that's the maximum. Mama 2 minutes हो गए अभी. I have just 3 more minutes until I go, and then I'll have to go. Hey, what the heck? That's that. I did that, and I'm not blind. Yeah, that's what I did. I hit them when they're jumping. That is what makes it easy.
2 से
I can fight
12 तारीख से
3 like that. Elite?
26 तो
Why are elites easier to
यानी कि
kill
कल
than
से स्टार्ट हुआ।
little common orcs?
लाओ दिखाओ,
I don't know.
कैलेंडर आएगा, कैलेंडर में
2 minutes बचा अभी.
पीछे की
For-
रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं आ रही है इसमें, या आ
I
रही है?
might get to 10 enemies, but I will not be able to complete this
पिछला
quest.
मंगलवार,
But I am sure I will get.
तारीख की देख, आ रही
I
है?
am sure I will get at least 25,000 from this quest.
आ रही है?
But after that, it's again suffering because after I do that, it's gonna be 50 elite. 50 elites. That's it. That sounds easy, but they are just common hulks. 1.5 seconds around that it takes for one common hulk each. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that dude had not helped me, it would have taken more than 8 seconds probably. It was a little less than half. So you all can see where this is going. Oh wait. Low. These enemies were low, which made it easy to faster kill common orcs. And that is 30 seconds remaining until I have to go. See? Guys, I might be able to complete a little. I will complete half of this quest. I am sure. Today only I can do. I will have problem with elite orcs. 2 of them I need to kill, which is the problem. To be at half actually. And 1 more common, which will be easy. But elites might, for the rank they are in, they are easier than the common orcs, but become extremely hard when paired with the common orcs. Like the spawn is so close together. Wait, I think so you can AFK in that spot. I will also quickly have to just sell my essence before this video ends and see how much I make. Next video I will check it again. Maybe that's about it for today's video, or almost about it, because I just need to kill this elite orc and then I will have to kill 1 more, and then I can peacefully sell the essences and say I have done half the quest. I can happily try, or maybe grind a bit more. Wait, nah, I just died at half exact. Well, 7 is 1. You cannot actually get. Wait, nope, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing those. I'm doing all essences because this was basically essence farming, and I sell all that. Let me check. This is a glass. That is even an even worse. That is good. That is also good, but I cannot use it. I will remove swift mining. Actually, I don't require swift mining much, but I will keep the good ruins. Not that. 12% mine cover. 14%. Wow. I'm not doing anything.
यूट्यूब से देख के ब्लाउज बनाए, यूट्यूब से देख के ब्लाउज बनाए कल।
I have the entire set for mind power and luck ruins. 3, 3.
हमारी वंदना आंटी के पास
I
इतने
am
सारे
gonna
ब्लाउज पड़े
sell
हुए हैं ना
15,000.
पहले बोलती तो मैं लेके
As
आती
you can see,
ब्लाउज पीस
140,000.
है ना
Now I go here and
मेरे पास
equip.
भी पड़े हुए हैं एक दो वही सीखते हैं
Okay, that gives 281,000.
यूट्यूब का
I require
ठीक है, बने
660k.
बने हुए ब्लाउज नहीं ब्लाउज पीस
Wait.
बोला मैंने
This
चल देखते हैं कल मिलते हैं ना। कल
660k.
सस्ता वाला ब्लाउज पीस उठा के लाते हैं,
I
60
get
मीटर का।
450k
इससे
or
अच्छा वो ले लो।
460k. I am gonna check our calculator real quick.
कपड़ा तो घर पे भी पड़ा हुआ है वही उठा के लाते हैं
ब्लाउज पीस सस्ता वाला कितना है?
And there is the calculator.
25 रुपए का
Cake.
25 रुपए का
Where is the calculator? It's up here. I
कपड़े
know
बड़े
it.
बंद करते हैं।
What was that?
वो कौन
282,500 plus 142,000 424,000. I'll require 240,000 for next video. That's it. I will grind the money and return for the next video and grind again.